Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make library more interesting in Spotify applications. So how to make library more interesting in Spotify applications? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Now here it is on the main Spotify display. Here you can see to enter the library menu, you must press the library button. Now here I will tell you an easier and more interesting way. Here point the cursor at the marketplace on the top left. Tap the marketplace icon. Now here we are in the marketplace menu. Go to the menu, Snippets. In this Snippets menu there are many choices that can be downloaded. Here we can scroll down to search. Dynamic left sidebar. The quick way we can go through the search page here. Type dynamic. Now here the dynamic left sidebar that we are looking for has appeared. Tap the install icon to add to Spotify. Finished, we can return to the home menu. Well, we slide our cursor to the left. Well, here the library menu will come out automatically without pressing the library icon. And the cursor is returned to the middle. It will close the library. This makes the appearance of the library on our Spotify attractive. Improving the appearance of the Spotify library aims to increase efficiency, convenience, and user satisfaction in enjoying the music and podcast services offered by the application. So that's it. Tutorial how to make library more interesting in Spotify applications. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.